What's up guys, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you the Sprocket Jammer from Motion Pro. Motion Pro makes a lot of really cool tools to help get the job done easier, and the Sprocket Jammer from Motion Pro is no exception. This thing is primarily to help you adjust your chain, but it's also going to help you remove and reinstall the countershaft nut. And this is especially important on your street bikes because those countershaft nuts can have some high torques on them. Now this tool is going to fit your machines with your 520, 525, and 530 chains. So that's going to be your ATVs, your dirt bikes, dual sport, and your street bikes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this. All right, so we're just going to put the teeth into the chain, and we're going to roll it back. So we've got that little gap there. That's going to take the gap out, and we can now tighten the axle nut. Now as you can see, all this was doing is pulling this chain block up to the adjuster. And why it's important to maintain the correct alignment when you have everything tightened down is because you don't want to have premature wear on your chain or sprockets because of a crooked axle. And another thing I want to point out is I've seen people put wrenches in here and pull back on it, and having the right tool for the job is just going to help prevent any damage to these parts. All right, moving on to the countershaft nut. What I'm going to do is take this tool, I'm just going to set it down into the chain, and we'll roll this into place. Now I do want to point out, we removed the chain guide, so some bikes aren't going to have this, like some of the street bikes aren't, but you know, dual sport, dirt bikes, you're going to have to remove this to use the tool. All right, now we're going to move up here, step on the brake, and loosen the nut. Now I do want to point out that if we didn't have this tool and only tried to use the brake is probably not going to be enough to hold that wheel from moving, and that's why it's important to have that tool. So now that we got this loosened up, we can replace our sprockets or whatever you need to do, and we'll go ahead and show you how to torque this down. All right, we're going to install our Sprocket Jammer the same way we did to adjust the chain, and then we're going to torque this nut down. And that's it for the Sprocket Jammer. This tool is going to save you a lot of headache. Now, if you need it, it's available on our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other helpful content. I'm Charles. Thanks for watching.